This page is doing something similar to what I'm about to share with you right now, and they have 2.5 million followers already by simply posting faceless videos they created. And I'm going to show you how to create those faceless videos and how to make money from it. But before we go into the video, it's important for me to mention here that this needs consistency for you to be able to see results. What it means is that you have to be uploading videos every time. So to get started, you're going to go to Google and look for canva.com. Now if you don't have Canva account, you can quickly create Canva account, and once you have done that, once on Canva, there are two ways you can actually do this. It's either you use the already existing templates on Canva to make your video, or you can go to Faceless.com, which is a website where you can find free videos that you can actually use depending on the niche you have picked to talk about in your video. So once you have gotten that, then you start editing your videos. If you're using Canva templates like we're going to be doing on this video, you just select the one you want to use, and once that has been selected, you start making edits, adding your own words and removing the ones that is already there on the template. And then if you want to change anything or add anything, you just do it like as you're seeing on the video right now. And once you're done editing and putting in your words, remember the words you're going to be putting in will be of value to the person that is going to be viewing your video. Like for this video, I talked about 7 self-care tips for people that are over 25 years. So if you're over 25 years, you will be forced to watch the video to know if you're doing something right or if you're doing something wrong. So once that is done, you can add transition to your videos if you're using different clips on your video. And to do that, you tap here and then you choose transition. Once you have chosen transition, you choose the transition style that you want to have on your video. And once you have chosen the one you want, you just add it there by clicking on the place where you see the good sign. And once that is done, and you're done with the editing of your video, you don't need to worry about music for now because we're going to be talking about music later. So once your video is done, you export it, and to export it, you click where you see the arrow pointing up, and once you have clicked there, you make sure that the video is in MP4 format and that the quality is good enough. At least 1080 is quite okay, or 4K. So that video quality can actually help your video. But if you're using the free version, you might not really be able to access the 4K video quality. So once that is done, you download it and you have it in your computer, and then it is ready for upload on any social media platforms of your choice. There you have your video. Now you need music in the background to make the video engaging enough for people to view and catch their attention. So to do this, if you're going to be posting on Instagram, you can look for trending music on Instagram and add to it while posting your video on Instagram. And if you're going to be using it on TikTok, you do the same thing. On Facebook, you also do the same thing. But on YouTube, you have to go to YouTube Studios to get free music from there and then add to it. These are the places you can upload and start making money. But then how can you actually make money if you don't have much followers? But before we talk about making money, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you for your support. Well, if you check this page, they have a link there, and on most of these platforms, short videos like this can easily go viral, provided you have given value in the content you are putting in the video, like the things I have written. So what you're going to do is you go and get affiliate links that has products that links to the niche you have picked in the video you have created. Take for instance, for the self-care video that I just made, I can go and look for journals that I can promote, or courses on self-care that I can promote, or even books on self-care that I can promote. So you can just add your affiliate link, but you can't just take affiliate link and add it directly. There's this video here I made about how you can use a particular link to get other affiliate links to, so that once people click on that link, they can get to see other products you are promoting as well, which is quite good. So like this page, you can see the link they have there which is an affiliate link that they can use to promote or sell their products. So once people view your page, they can easily click and go and buy from the product you're promoting, and you're making money. And over time, through consistency, you can build an audience that you can get monetized in any of these platforms. But you have to know that for TikTok, you have to make over 1 minute video to be able to get monetized on TikTok once you have gotten to the number of followers that are required. So these are basically how you can actually make money by using this strategy. So you can check out that video to learn more about how you can use a particular link to get other affiliate links and add to it, and then you can use that one particular link on your other social media platforms. And if you're looking to make money creating children's book on Canva completely for free, you might want to check out this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.